You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. Had to make a little adjustment to my camera there, if you noticed that. I am, I showed these in a previous video with Butch. These are the Finders Keepers Milk Chocolate Candy and Surprise Eggs for SpongeBob. Collect them all. At the time, I decided, well, I might as well just buy the whole retail case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just noticed this one. It kind of ties in with that, but I don't think it was meant to originally do that. They're probably all supposed to be the same way. I don't know. Just something I noticed. Nickelodeon Spongebob Squarepants. Finders Keepers. Let's see. Collect them all. Does it show you? Oh, okay. So there's quite a few in the little collection. It does not say rare, super rare, ultra rare. You have Patrick, SpongeBob, Squidward, Sandy, Gary, Mr. Krabs, Plankton, Patrick Star again in a different position, and another SpongeBob. So there's 2 SpongeBob options in different positions. A surprise in every box. Which one will it be? Now, I added this to the Easter collection for obvious reasons. And I actually didn't originally buy it for that, but it was in the collection sitting there off to the side. I said, I better get to these. Collect them all. All right. This is the first one. Full assortment on back toy varies. Finders Keepers, distributed by Gallery. Still haven't heard from Gallery. Been waiting a long time for them to finally contact me and say, let us just send you a case of everything we have. Nick.com. So from 2020 Viacom. Well, I just bought these, so hopefully they're not from 2020. You know what I mean? Well, let's look at them. Oh, there's the Best Buy. Best Buy 3/3/23. Plenty of time. Okay, so. Interesting. The toy is outside of the actual egg. Why do they do that? Well, if we all heard of Kinder eggs, there's are inside the actual egg, and they were worried. Actually, I think this is one of the few countries, I don't know if it still is, that Kinder eggs are not allowed in the USA. The kind with the toy inside. There's other Kinder eggs that we do have here, but they're a little bit different. So let's leave the toy. I want to check out the egg. It's a cool purple with a pink centerpiece. Okay, so it's a hollow egg. It's too bad that they couldn't just put it inside. I don't know how many people would shove this whole thing in their mouth. I wouldn't. Well, maybe I would. I'm not going to. So let's just, what do you think? Squeeze it? Does it come apart? No? Okay, I'll squeeze it. There you go. That is the egg. I will have a little piece of this chocolate. I've never had this chocolate before. I don't know, maybe I've done these. I don't remember being packaged like this if I have. Chocolate good. So let's open the little capsule. So in the capsule, there is a Squidward. What is he, maybe 1.25 inches tall? And then they give you the little picture of him in kind of like a line art. It says Squidward, and then collect them all. So we got the one up here in the top right. Okay, so from this point on, we've looked at them. Let's check what we got. I've actually used the chocolate before and melted it. I try not to waste anything. Okay, we'll keep that egg. No reason to open more eggs. Ooh, can we see? It's a Sandy, I believe. Okay, here we go, Sandy. I will free you from your capsule. Ooh, there you are. Okay, so I got a little Sandy. Yes, little Patrick. And they're small. Sandy Cheeks. Now she has that little white underwater outfit, almost looks like a spacesuit, but no hat. Doesn't she wear like a little, well, maybe I'm thinking of something. I don't know. I've seen her with a little like underwater dome on her head. Okay, here's the next one. I'm not going to look at that. I'm going to take the, oh, see, we got a green egg. Okay, might as well have another piece while I'm here, right? It's just the bottom. This one's upside down. Looks like another Squidward. Oh no. Plankton. Oh, there he is in this picture. Okay. Collect them all. So far, we've done good. We've only had 3 and no dupes. I'm going to bring this a little closer. I'm not sure. It needs to be sitting all the way over there. Let's see if we can make these a little egg stands. There. They definitely look like the plastic Easter eggs, but they're in that nice light foil wrapper. And it does say Finders Keepers on the wrapper too, so it's pretty themed. Nice. Let's see. Ooh, a different color egg. I'm not going to look. I didn't see it. I just want to get my little stand. Still haven't looked. My thumb is over it. Okay, so we have a pink egg. We have the purple egg. The original one was purple. And I believe we have something different. We do. Very cool. All right, so now we have a Gary. We have 3 color eggs. 2 more to go. I just don't want it to end. You know, while I'm doing this, let me do this. Let me move these back here. Let me move these so you can see how tiny they are. Let me get my ruler. I got to step off to the side, grab a ruler, come right back. So we get the approximate size. I said 1.25 inches. I think he is. Sandy's about a little shorter. Plankton's 1.5 inches. And Gary's 1 inch. Okay. Now let's just see if I can give you that. How's that? Okay, next one. I'm not looking. I have not looked. I promise you, I have not looked. I am now going to just drop it. Okay, so same purple egg. You can see what's in there. Ooh, no, it's the first duplicate. Yep, same pose, Squidward. You go back there. Okay, that's a bummer. Last, but not least, whatever that means. I have not looked. And the egg color is the same purple. So we have 3 purple eggs. 2 dupes so far. Let's see. Last one. Can you peek inside? Ooh. It's something different. Let's drop it. Nice. Mr. Krabs. All right. So 1 dupe is not the end of the world. Okay. I gotta have the rest of this egg. I'm actually going to keep these eggs. I'm going to use them in Easter baskets. Why? Why smash them? Okay. I ate the egg. Nothing's gone to waste. I'm going to try to zoom in as best I can and give you a nice look of those. So we know the size. They're like a harder plastic. Here's the backs. Okay. They're pretty detailed. I would say very detailed. I mean, just the time to paint these little characters. It's got to be done by hand. I don't think a machine could paint these. What do you think? I think they're hand painted. All right, so that is another Easter item for this year. Even though it originally wasn't for Easter, like I said, I found these with other stuff way back. I forgot what I was doing them with, but I showed them with Butch, and I'm like, oh, I better do these. So here you go. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. There's the 3 color eggs I got. Like I said, I'm going to keep these. Oh. Okay, no, I'm not going to end like that. I cannot end the video like that. All right, let's do this again. Set that there, okay. Let's get you straight. Let's get you up here. Don't fall. Ooh, one more color. There we go. Don't. Oh boy. Okay, I'm leaving. Oh, I gotta move it now. There we go. Perfect. More videos on the way of unique items like this. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you're gonna get this. I don't know. And thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.